Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Happy Monday to you. It is Monday after Thanksgiving. So hope everybody had a awesome weekend. I hope everybody slept off the turkey and enjoyed their weekend with family and friends. I know I sure did. I know it's been it was a nice and steady, busy weekend here at Aroma Time, and we thank everybody for your business and for coming in. I see that I am live, so I see some people joining. So if you are joining me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay, and give me a thumbs up so I know you're here. The more activity there is, the more that people will see these videos, and they will appear on their Facebook pages. So thank you, everybody. Hello, Jim. Hello, Sabrina. Hi, Marcus. And hello, Ralph. Wow, here we go. We got lots of people joining. So I'm going to make a mistletoe margarita today. Hi, Terry. Before I make my drink of the day, I'm going to just talk about a couple of upcoming things going on here at Aroma Time. Marcus did a Facebook Live a little while ago about mushrooms and wild mushrooms, so check that out. It was a great video. Hello, Jordan. Hello, Sabrina. Matt is on. Hello, hello. Thank you for joining me, and happy Monday to you. Hope everybody's staying warm out there. It got cold fast today, and we had some snow over the weekend. I don't know if you had snow in your area, but we had a little bit of snow here. And it didn't really stick on the roads, but it definitely stuck on the cars a little bit. It was just a nice little dusting, but I'm glad it's not snowing today because it is nice and cold out there, and I am not ready for this cold weather. I don't know about you. Thanks, Ralph. Happy Hanukkah. Happy Hanukkah to those out there that celebrate Hanukkah. Last night was the first night of Hanukkah. Tonight's the second night. It is 8 nights long, so the next week we will be celebrating Hanukkah. So happy Hanukkah to you. And so some upcoming events. So Marcus talked about wild mushrooms and how it's labeled on menus, and how restaurants aren't necessarily using wild mushrooms. So check that video out on Aroma Time's Facebook page tonight. Tonight is the last night of our $9.99 takeout special for the week. It is a chicken. It's a smoked chicken mac and cheese with mushrooms. That is to go for $9.99. Our regular menu is available as well, so you can order off of that. Let's see. Today we started our Cyber Monday special. So if you go online to our website, aromatimebistro.com, the deal is there. You can check that out there. Tomorrow is Giving Tuesday, so we'll be talking a little bit tomorrow about our soup kitchen. So we will be doing our soup kitchen this year for Christmas. Those of you that don't know, this will be I think it's our 19th year of our soup kitchen. We feed the needy here in the surrounding area on Christmas Day. A lot of people think it's Thanksgiving, but it's actually Christmas. And we have been known to serve up to 700 people. It is to-go deliveries only. So we work on volunteers and donations. So if you can donate, that would be awesome. We'll take turkeys and we'll take monetary, and there's other things that we need. And of course, we always need volunteers to pull off the Christmas Day soup kitchen. So more details will be coming out tomorrow about that. We have holiday parties available here at Aroma Time. So if you're interested in booking a holiday party, even if it's just a bunch of friends coming in, please let me know, and we will be happy to help you book that, whether it's a special menu or a regular menu, if you want to get friends together. If you want to get friends together at your house, we'll come and cater at your house. That is always available as well. We've done lots of catering this year. People want to stay in the confinement of their house. So we will be happy to help you book that. So just give me a call, 845-647-3000. We have a deal on our Mexican trip, so you can look on our website for that as well. Actually, you have to be on our email list for that, but we'll be doing a Mexican trip in April. And if you are interested in traveling with Marcus and I to Valle de Guadalupe, there is a deal. You can call today, find out the deal. It lasts for a week because we don't expect you to book right now, right away, but we give you a week for that. And so I appreciate it. Thank you for watching me. Lots of people on. Hello, Pam. Hello, Calvin. Thank you, Ralph, for offering to drive again this year. I know you've been helping us for many, many years. Hello, Sean. Thank you, thank you. And also our seafood box. If you are interested in our seafood box, that is available as well. Just give us a call. We'll tell you all about it. It is available. The email went out on Friday. It includes two pieces of about 10 different fishes, 2 pounds of shrimp and some tuna, halibut, sablefish. There's a bunch of fish in there, and that is available if you're interested. I love Aroma Thyme, not only for great food, but they do so much for this community. Thank you to everybody at Aroma Thyme. Thank you, Calvin. Totally appreciate that. Hello, Chris. Thank you for watching. And I am going to be making a mistletoe margarita today. It is basically a cranberry margarita. The rim is going to have salt and sugar on it. And I have some fresh cranberries here. I am going to put a little bit of sugar on them. I'm just going to coat them a little bit with some lime juice. And I'm going to coat it with some sugar. So I'm just going to roll it in some sugar here. So it's just coated nicely with sugar. And I'm going to rim the glass of for my margarita. I just have to get a lime here. I am going to put a little bit of lime on the glass so that the salt and the sugar stick. So I'm just rolling it around, a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, and there you have it. And I'm going to shake away here. I'm going to make my mistletoe margarita for you. I am going to start with Pueblo Viejo tequila. That is our house tequila. Great story behind this. It is woman-owned, very women-friendly distillery. Obviously in Mexico, it's 100% agave. So I'm going to start with 2 ounces of tequila. And those of you, I haven't made a margarita in a while, I don't think, but those of you probably know, big shout out to Bravo Spirits. I believe they're out of Washington. Maybe Marcus can correct me if he's still on. I believe they're out of Washington. Orange Curacao is our triple sec here. Great company, awesome company. Can't wait. We love supporting them and we love using their products. So 1 ounce of Curacao, a splash of lime juice, a drop of agave, and some cranberry juice. So those of you that know us here at Aroma Thyme know that we do not use on tap, on the soda gun, we have cranberry juice, but it is all fruit sweetened. So it's not that bright cranberry juice that's loaded with high fructose corn syrup. My mistletoe margarita might not be as bright as your mistletoe margarita at home. I always check my cranberry juice. I make sure there's no high fructose corn syrup in it. You know, I don't know what you have at home, but check it out. And, you know, try not to get anything with high fructose corn syrup. It's not really that good for you. We use agave here and fruit sweetened stuff. So, and I like my margaritas on the rocks. And so there's my margarita. And I'm going to give it a little bit of the cherries on top. I really like those cherries. They're kind of cool. This would have been a really nice Thanksgiving drink. It's a really nice fall drink. Cranberries are very fall. People like to use cranberries in the fall time. Hello, Terry. Hello, Cheryl. Hello, Dawn. Let's go ahead and taste this. I just love margaritas. I really appreciate it. Marcus and I appreciate your support. Again, our $9.99 special, which ends today, is a smoked chicken mac and cheese with mushrooms. And we hope that we see everybody soon. And Albie's here this Friday night, so check out Albie. We have not had music inside, and we really haven't had music at all since the pandemic. So Albie is back 7 to 10 on Saturday night. Check him out. We love Albie. Super excited about Albie being here. Pass it along. Bring your friends out. Start the holidays off right with Albie at Aroma Thyme and all of Aroma Thyme's awesome food and great staff and great bar. So hope everybody has an amazing, awesome night. Cheers, and I will catch you all tomorrow. Have a good night.